Wow. Wow. 3.5 months and we've accomplished so much. Just look at the track record. Every other week a new exchange. 2.2 million holders in 3.5 months. Why? Because of the community. Trending on every social media platform. Why? Because of the community. You guys have actually been killing it, man. I love every single one of you guys. Let's keep pushing. I understand. The graph is down right now. I understand, but since when have we ever cared? We don't care about dips. We eat dips. This community is unstoppable. Guys, I appreciate every single one of you guys. I also wanted to talk to you guys about something that really upset me the other day. The post that SafeMoon Twitter made about Pride Month. The comments under it were unacceptable. Imagine being in the 21st century and still being a homophobe. Get over yourself. Grow up. We accept everyone, no matter the gender, no matter the race, no matter the sexuality. One community, one love. Guys, let's keep pushing on every single platform. I am so proud of you guys. SafeMoon would not be where it's at right now without this community. SafeMoon community has broken so many records. Shocked the world. Yes, I know people doubt us. But since when have we cared? I'm still here and I will still be here tomorrow, the next day after, and the day after that. Because I fucking love you guys. SafeMoon to the fucking moon.